What's up, guys? It's not letting me tag two guys on here for some reason. I don't think Facebook did some kind of update just now. Can somebody see if they can tag Chris DePlane and Ty McElroy? I'm gonna write their names on here. I can't even do it with the @ sign. Can somebody see if they can tag those guys for me? It's not letting me tag them for some reason. Yeah, Tim, I just got through doing basketball. Let me message these two guys real quick and tell them. It's not letting me. Message both these guys so they can get on. Yeah, I don't know what happened. It let me tag everybody but those two guys. It would not let me tag them. The It looked different when I tried to tag everybody this time than it did on the basketball break. They must have did a update in between the basketball break and this one. All right, Ty knows. I just got a hold of him. He answered, so hopefully Chris will get it too, and he'll be able to get on. All right, we're gonna do the 1920 Bowman. Will be next. If anybody can tag Chris, try to do it for me if you don't mind. All right, here we go. I'll go through the team list real quick. Brad's got Minnesota and Oakland. Chris has got San Diego. Patrick's got San Francisco. Roy's got Cleveland and Angels. Patrick's got Houston. Jeff's got the Mets. Jesse's got Tampa Bay. Tyson's got Toronto. Tim's got Texas. Bryson's got Baltimore. Tim's got the White Sox. John's got the Phillies. Michael's got Arizona and Boston. Jesse's got Colorado. Tony's got Detroit. Ty's got KC. AJ's got the Dodgers. Jeff has got Cincinnati. Jerry's got Pittsburgh. Mark has got the Yankees in Milwaukee. Steve has got St. Louis and Washington. Tim has got Chicago. Tony's got Seattle. AJ's got Miami. And Roy's got Atlanta. So, good luck, fellas. We'll go ahead and get started. Hopefully, Chris will get my message. He'll get on too. Everything seems to be kind of slow right now, so I may just do some small breaks for a little bit so everything picks back up a little bit. I may get a case if somebody wants me to get a case of something. I've got enough interest from guys. I'll get it and we'll try to break it. I know I got some Topps Chrome coming here in a couple weeks. I think got 2 cases of it that I'd ordered. But I'm gonna try to hurry up. It's thundering outside, so I'm gonna mess around and lose power in the middle of the break. Something happens, you know. I lost power. What I may do since it's thundering outside is I'll open one stack at a time, go through that stack, and then go to the other stack. That way, if I lose power, I still got those packs in there and open. Yeah, I was able to tag everybody in the basketball break, and then Ty, when they changed when I went to the baseball break, the format had changed. Like it looked different when I was tagging people, and it wouldn't let me tag you or Chris. Glad you was able to get on. All right. And we got a Jordan Adams. Under Armour All-American to 199, 96 to 199. Believe it or not, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. On the back bottom corner's messed up a hair. Not bad though. Let's see. We got the Angels. Let's go into Roy. And we got a Collins to 125 for the White Sox. I hate to open up one stack at a time, but this thunderstorm rolling in here, I don't want to mess around and have power go out on me. Oh, I got a bunch of packs open. All right, next stack. Bring that down a little bit. I hope you guys can see that first stack pretty good. All right, first auto going to the Rays. Dang. Nate Lowe to 499. Nate Lowe to 499. Rays is Jesse. Oh, we're gonna hit one right off the bat. If you're just getting on, I'm opening these one stack at a time because I got a thunderstorm rolling in here at the house. So I need one stack at a time. I'll lose power. I'll stop and we'll resume. Hopefully not, but we'll see. And we got Ramos for Colorado. Let's see, the Rockies was Jesse. Come on, we gotta get some better autos than that. Let's go. Got a beer paper to $4.99 for Houston. All right, one more stack in the first box, one more auto. breaking this stack. How do you guys want me to do the 2020? You want me to do PYT with Yankees random, or do you want me to do a random like I did on this one? Do it however you guys want. And we got a Lawson for San Diego for 150. San Diego, Chris. Chris had San Diego. Great front box. First box, excuse me. Martinez, a 250 for the Blue Jays. That was Tyson. All right, that's box one. All right, box number two. Everybody got an opinion on the 2020? I'm going to throw it up tomorrow. So. All right. Mountcastle to 150. They're Baltimore. And we got a Cabrera to 150 paper for Detroit. Tony Lee. got a Mercer. Diamondbacks, Arizona is Michael. Michael. Here we can see all these. Got a Manning to 499 paper for Detroit. All right. Two autos left. Good one. Let's go. Somebody hit a nice one. Got a McKenna Sparkle, $2.99 for Baltimore. That is going to Bryson. Got one auto left. Need a monster. Got a Johnson for the Nationals to 125. And Steve King. All right, one more stack, one more auto. Save the auto for last if I can. Got a Burrows to 499 for Detroit. Refractor. All right. Last auto. It's an Atomic. On to Atlanta. Wilson, 98 of 100. 98 of 100. Who had Atlanta? Roy. sleeves. Alright, not much there, unfortunately. A quick recap. Alright, for Colorado we had the Ramos base. Arizona we had the Mercer base. We had the Under Armour All-American Jordan Adams to 199. We had the Low to 499 for the Rays. We had the Lawson to 150 for San Diego. We had the McKenna 299 for Sparkle for the Orioles. And we had the Wilson Atomic to 100 for the Braves. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys. I'm not going to post anything else tonight. I'll post the 2020 tomorrow. You guys want it random team or PYT? You guys tell me what you want. I'm good either way. Anybody got an opinion? If I do PYT, I'll do it with Yankees random. And if I do all random teams, we'll do Yankees and Dominguez in one spot together if y'all want to. But you guys tell me what you want to do on the 2020. Anybody got an opinion? All right, guys. I appreciate it. I'll be throwing up those other two boxes tomorrow. Appreciate you guys. You guys have a good evening. Thank you.